Hello everyone. Today I will guide you how to use a 10-liter plastic bottle to grow eggplant on the balcony effectively. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. To have young plants to plant, we must first incubate the seeds. Today, I chose a suitable nursery pot, added enough soil, and spread the carefully selected seeds evenly, sprayed water evenly, and kept the nursery pot in a cool place. In addition to providing daily nutrition, eating eggplant also helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, prevent cancer, is an antioxidant, controls blood sugar well, and supports effective weight loss. The eggplant seeds have sprouted and grown tall after 7 days. Now let's plant them. I would use 10-liter plastic bottles, cut them in half and use the top half, punch holes to hang them, and remember to punch drainage holes to avoid waterlogging the plants. To help keep the soil moist, I use plastic bottles and absorbent towels as an automatic watering system. To grow good eggplants, we must choose good seeds. When the plant grows, it will be healthy and beautiful. After planting, we pour water into a plastic bottle and an absorbent towel will lead the water to the base of the tree. The eggplant plant is 20 days old, tall, plump, and healthy. To produce the most beautiful flowers, we need to take care of it to help the plant have enough nutrients and energy to grow more evenly. I use vermicompost to fertilize plants. Vermicompost not only provides nutrients for plants, but also has high antibacterial properties and is harmless to humans. To help the tree stand firmly, avoid tilting, falling, and better metabolism, I add soil to each tree. After 1 month of planting, the eggplant has flowered. During this time, the plant is very sensitive to weather, pests, and insects. We must take good care of the plant. To help the plants absorb nutrients quickly, I use liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish mixed with water to water each plant. Garlic has the ability to repel insects, prevent pests and mold. I will use 1 clove of garlic mixed with water and spray evenly on the plant. After 2 months, my balcony has more eggplants, many big, beautiful fruits. Now I can use them to prepare delicious daily dishes and as gifts for relatives. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.